Here's what happened when I handed my entire stock research to AI for 30 days. 5 free tools, real money, no gut feelings, all in 2026. The results changed how I'll invest forever. I've spent years doing research the slow way, reading 10Ks until midnight, digging through earnings calls, building spreadsheets nobody asked for. So I ran an experiment. For 1 month, I let AI do the heavy lifting, and I only made the final call. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact 5 free AI tools I used, the rules I gave the experiment so it stayed honest, what the AI got right, where it got dangerously wrong, and the 30-day results with real numbers. Stick around for the last section, because the biggest lesson wasn't about returns at all. 2 years ago, research tools like this cost thousands of dollars a year and lived behind hedge fund paywalls. Today, the free versions are good enough that a beginner with a phone can do what used to take an analyst a full day. That's the shift almost nobody's acting on. The tools got democratized, and most investors are still guessing off headlines and hype. But there's a trap. AI sounds confident even when it's wrong. It will hand you a beautiful, well-written answer built on a number it made up. So the goal of my experiment was never to let AI trade for me. It was to see if AI could make my research faster and sharper while I stayed the adult in the room. I set 4 rules so I couldn't fool myself. Rule 1, real money, small size. I used a real account, not a paper simulator, because paper trading makes everyone brave. Rule 2, every AI claim had to be verified against a primary source before I acted on it. If the AI quoted a revenue number, I checked the actual filing. Rule 3, AI could research and rank, but I made every buy and sell decision, no autopilot. Rule 4, 30 days, then I report the numbers honestly, win or lose. Now let me walk you through the exact 5 tools. Perplexity is a search engine that answers in plain English and shows its sources. That last part matters more than anything. My first prompt every morning was simple. What happened with this company in the last 24 hours, and cite your sources. In seconds, I had the news, the earnings surprises, and the analyst moves with links I could actually click and confirm. This replaced about an hour of scrolling financial news every day. The key habit? I never trusted the summary until I opened at least one source. Perplexity points you to the truth. It is not the truth. I pasted my current holdings into ChatGPT and asked one question. Where's my hidden risk? It caught things instantly. 3 of my positions were all riding on the same interest rate bet. 2 of my ETFs owned the exact same top 10 stocks, so I was far less diversified than I thought. A human advisor would charge you for that review. It took 30 seconds. What ChatGPT could not do was tell me what to buy next. When I pushed it, it gave generic advice. That's the line. It's brilliant at analyzing what you already have, weak at predicting the future. This was the surprise winner of the month. I went to SEC Edgar, which is free, pulled a company's 10K annual report, and pasted the risk factor section into Claude. Then I asked it to explain the risks in plain English and flag anything that sounded worse than management wanted it to sound. It turned 40 pages of legal fog into 5 bullet points a normal person could understand. Understanding what a company admits about its own risks is the most underrated skill in investing. And this is the tool that finally made it easy. On one stock, it flagged a customer concentration risk that made me walk away. 2 weeks later, that exact risk showed up in the news. Hype lives in the last 3 months. Truth lives in the last 10 years. Macrotrends is a free site where you type any ticker and see a decade of revenue, profit margins, and valuation history. I pasted that data into an AI and asked one question. Is this company actually growing or just getting more expensive? That question saved me from 2 popular stocks that looked exciting but had flat revenue and a price that had tripled anyway. The story was great. The numbers were not. Once I decided a company was worth owning, I used TradingView's free charts and AI summary just for timing. Is the trend up or down? Is the price near a level where buyers usually step in? I want to be clear. I never bought something just because a chart looked good. I use this only to avoid buying at an obvious short-term top. Timing is the seasoning, not the meal. Here's what you came for. Over the 30 days, my AI-assisted picks were up 6.2%, while the S&P 500 was up 4.1% over the same stretch. Now, before anyone quits their job, 30 days is noise, not proof. A month this good can flip next month. I am not claiming AI beats the market, but the real result was the number that shocked me. My research time dropped from around 8 hours a week to under 2. Same quality of decisions, a fraction of the time. That's the win that compounds. More time, less burnout. And I actually enjoyed investing again. And the mistakes mattered too. Twice the AI gave me a confident number that was flat wrong. And only Rule 2, checking the source, saved me. If I had trusted it blindly, that 6% gain would have looked very different. Here's exactly how to copy this, starting today. Step 1. Pick one stock you already own or want to own. Just one. Step 2. Run it through the stack. Perplexity for the news. Macrotrends for the 10-year numbers. Claude for the risk factors. ChatGPT to check how it fits your portfolio. Step 3. Verify every important number against the real filing before you act. This is the rule that protects you. Step 4. Make your own decision. The AI is your analyst. You are still the investor. Do that for one company this week, and you'll understand a stock better than most people who've owned it for years. If this saved you time or made investing feel less overwhelming, subscribe to CashMind. Every week, I break down AI-powered investing, tax moves, and wealth strategies built for regular people, not Wall Street. This is not financial advice. It's education to help you make calmer, smarter money decisions. Past performance never guarantees future results. Next video, the 5 free AI prompts I use to analyze any stock in under 10 minutes, word for word. You'll want that one. I'll see you there.